Your question is, find the point on x-axis whose distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. Now, what is the relation between the distance and the equation of a line? We have a formula. That is, your distance is equal to modulus of standard linear equation by root over a square plus b square. Now, standard linear equation हमारा क्या होता है? That is your ax plus by plus c. Now, this is your standard linear equation. Now, तो ये देखो इसने क्या दिया है? They have given something like this. So just we will take the LCM first and make it in this form. Everything to your left side. तो ये देखो आपका क्या आ जाएगा? It will come as 4x plus 3y by 12. That is equal to 1. Now cross multiply it. We will get 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now make it in standard form. That means left side. It will come as 4x plus 3y minus 12. That gives you 0 now. Now we will substitute this value here. Standard linear equation. So we know that now A is your 4. B is your 3. And C is your minus 12. By this. So now we will write distance. So distance they have given you 4 units. So that is your distance. 4 is equal to, now equation is this. We will write that 4x plus 3y minus 12. That to modulus. Now, what is the property of modulus? Modulus आपका क्या है? Inside value, if it is minus also, it will come as a plus. But outside it contains both plus and minus. That means it contains plus and minus here. Now we will write it clearly. It contains both plus and minus. By now a square, root over a square. A square is 4 square is 16 plus b square, that is 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So that means 25 किसका perfect square है? 5 का. That means it comes as a 5. तो ये आपका देखो क्या आ रहा है? It will come as plus minus modulus of 4x plus 3y minus 12 by 5. Now, what they have told you in question? They have told you find out the point on x-axis. On x-axis what happened? This is your x-axis. You can see on x-axis what happened? X is varying, y is 0. X is varying and y is 0. That means the coordinates आपके क्या हो गए? X, 0. So now the coordinates are x, 0. Now substitute these values in place of x and y. What we will get? We will get plus and minus modulus 4x plus 3 into 0 minus 12 by 5. That is equal to 4. That we can write here 4. Now cross multiply 5 into 4 is 20. 20 is equal to plus and minus. Now 4x minus 12. like this. Now ये देखो -12 bring to this side, तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, it will be plus and minus 4x, that is equal to 20 plus 12 is 32. That is your 32. Now we have to think that हमने क्या किया है, we have done, if we have taken plus then only this value will come, only plus, so we will round it as plus. In minus what happened, in minus it will come as minus 4x plus 12, that is equal to 20, like this it will come. Now we will solve both. तो आपका देखो क्या आ रहा है, it will come as 4x is equal to 20 plus 12 is 32. That means x is your 32 by 4 is your 8. So x is 8 now. Now we will go for minus. So what happened, minus 4x is equal to 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. So we will get minus 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by minus 4x is minus 2. So now the points are what? Minus 2, 0 and 8, 0. So these are the 2 points, minus 2, 0 and 8, 0. तो इस तरह से आपको निकालना है.